we have a question here, and the question is, in a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. Their steps measure 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 90 centimeter respectively. So 3 people, 3 persons, let's say the persons are A, B and C. They step off together for morning walk, and their step measure is 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 90 centimeter. Like in one step they cover this distance or this length, okay, 80 centimeter. Now what is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? What it's trying to say that the persons A, let's say that this is person A, let's say that this is person A, person B and person C. The step measure, that is of person A, is 80 centimeters. So that means that if this person takes one step, then it will cover 80 centimeter in one step. In another next step it will take another 80 centimeter. So this is the step measure, and similarly for this person B and similarly for this person C. Okay, so step measure is 80, step measure, next step measure will again be 80. So this way. The question is, what is the minimum or the least distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance? What it's trying to say that since their step measure is 80 centimeter in this case, 85 centimeter in this case and 90 centimeter in this case, so in every step, like in this case, in one step it will cover 85 centimeter, right? And in this case it will cover 90 centimeter. Since the distance covered in every step is different, but there will be a least or a minimum, or the minimum distance which all these can cover equally in the full steps or the complete steps. Like suppose there is some distance d, like if this is the initial point, let's say this is the initial point from where they have started, okay, and if you see that this person in one step covers 80 centimeter, this person in one step covers 85 centimeter, this person in one step covers 90 centimeter. So the question is that despite this difference in their step measure, there will be a certain distance d, there is certain distance d from here to here. This is a least or minimum distance, this is the least or minimum distance, this is the least or minimum distance at which all these 3 can reach, okay, using their complete or full steps. It shouldn't be like it reached here in 4 steps, say let's say it took 4 steps, so it would be like 1, 2, 3 and 4, it reached here. But it should not be like for 85 centimeters, shouldn't be like it reached in say 1 and 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, hey, then half. Because the full step is coming here, it took only half. It shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be that case. It should be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. That is 6 complete. That is 6 times 80. This should be the distance covered by it to reach here. Let's suppose, okay. So I just want to, I'll just try to, solve this problem first, scaling down these values so that you can understand it more deeply, like what exactly we are going to use, whether we will use, when to use highest common factor, when to use least common multiple. That will get cleared through this problem. So let's suppose that step measure in this condition of say of person A, step measure of person A is say 2 centimeter, right? In every step it covers 2 centimeter. For this person it's 2 centimeter. For person B, it's 4 centimeter, and for person C it's 8 centimeter. Okay, now suppose this person took one step. Okay, it took one step. It's just a contrived situation where I'm just trying to explain you and scaling down these values. So suppose it took one step and it covered 8 centimeter, right? It covered 8 centimeter. Now in one step, that is for this person C, one step measure is 8 centimeter. In one step, that is it traveled only one time, it took one step and it reached to 8 centimeter, right? 8 centimeter is a step measure. It took it one time and it covered 8 centimeter distance. This person, if you try to calculate the distance covered for person B similarly to what we did here. So this person, when it will take, this person will take first step, it will be, if this person takes one step, sorry, it should be smaller. So this person takes one step and this person will cover 4 centimeter. This person will cover 4 centimeter. Now this person in one step covered 8 centimeter. This person in one step covers 4 centimeter. So 4 is the step measure. It took one step, it reached to a distance of 4 centimeter. What if this person again takes one step more? Okay, again takes a step and it will reach to, it will cover another 4 centimeter, and therefore if you measure this whole distance, this will be 8 centimeter. How? 4 centimeter in first step and 4 centimeter in second step. So 4 is the step measure, and when it took two number of steps, that is 1 and then 2, this covers 8 centimeter. We can clearly see that this 8 centimeter and this 8 centimeter. Okay, now come to this person C, person A. So the person A takes first step of 2 centimeter, okay. It takes another step of 2 centimeter. It should be more smaller so that we can draw it properly. Okay, so first step of 2 centimeter, another step of 2 centimeter. So when it took first step of 2 centimeter, so step measure is 2, it took one step, it covers 2 centimeter. It takes another step, so this time the total distance covered will be 2 plus 2, that is 4. So 2 is a step measure, 2 is the number of steps taken, this will cover 4 centimeter. Okay, it takes another one step, and another again covers 2 centimeter. So 2 is a step measure, 3 is the number of steps taken, therefore total distance covered will be 6 centimeter, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, it takes another one step, that is of 2 centimeter. So 2 is a step measure, 4 is the number of steps taken, and 8 centimeter is the total distance covered in 4 steps. Now you can clearly see that 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. That is, these are the multiples of 2, right? 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 is 8. That is the multiple of 2. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, multiple of 4. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 is multiple of 8. Now here 2, 4, 6, 8 are the multiples of 2. In this case 4 and 8 are the multiples of 4, and in this case 8 is is the multiple of 8. Now, out of these, can you see that they all have, this person in 4 steps has covered 8 centimeter, this person in 2 steps has covered 8 centimeter, and this person in 1 step has covered the 8 centimeter, and 8 centimeter is nothing else but the least common multiple. This is the least common multiple, right? Here it's 8, here it's 8, here it's 8, and 8 is the least common multiple, that is LCM. And what's that? That is 8. Or we can say that 8 centimeter is that least or minimum distance covered in this particular case. Okay, in this particular case, 8 centimeter is the least or the minimum distance covered by these 3 persons. That is a common in taking full steps. None of them has taken any half step or incomplete step. This person took 4 steps, this person took 2 steps, this person took 1 step. That's a complete step. It's not like it took 1.5, it took 2.5 or 3.5 or something like that. They all took complete steps. And in taking the complete steps, they reached to 8 centimeter. This person in 4 steps, this person 2 steps, and this person just 1 step. This is the least common multiple of these, of 2, 4, and 8. And therefore, this is what telling is that the minimum distance that all these 3 persons can cover using the complete steps. Now, those who are getting confused in incomplete steps, let me explain you like this. Suppose this is person A. Okay, this person A. This person A has say step measure of 5 centimeter, right? So this person takes 1 step and covers 5 centimeter. Okay, so we have another person, and this person is person B. Okay, and the person B's step measure is say 4 centimeter. Not even 4, let's say it's 2, otherwise this will take longer time. 2 centimeter. So you will say that, hey, this person can cover 2 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, that is, it became, this is 2 centimeter first step. It will take another 2 centimeter. Hey, this time I can take, so this became 4 centimeter, that is 2 plus 2. Since this is 5, so let me take just half step. Let me take half step, and let me not count this full step. Okay, so this is coming at this position. So just 1 centimeter, because I'm taking half, and therefore you can see that we reached to a distance of 5 centimeter. No, it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that. You have to take complete steps. So this is 5 centimeter. In this case, if this person takes another 1 step and takes 5 centimeter, so the total distance covered will be 10 centimeter, right? This will be 10 centimeter. And if you want to represent it mathematically, so 5 is the step measure. In 1 step, it covers a distance of 5 centimeter. In the next 5 step, 5 is the step measure, and when it covers 2 times, this is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is the distance covered by this person A in 2 steps. And this person A, person B, when it takes 2 centimeter, so 2 times 1, the distance covered is 2. In the next 2 centimeter, next step, it again covers, this step measure is 2, step taken is 2, therefore distance covered is 4 centimeter. In another next step, this person will cover 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. So 2 is the step measure, 3 is the number of steps taken, and 6 is the distance covered. This person takes another step, that is 1 more step, and covers 2 centimeter distance. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8 centimeter. So 2 is the step measure, 4 is the number of steps taken, and 8 centimeter is the distance covered. It takes another 2 centimeter step. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 10 centimeter. So 2 is the step measure, 5 is the number of steps taken, and 10 centimeter is the distance covered. Now you can see that this is representing multiples of 5, this is representing multiples of 2. In this case we have 10 here and we have 10 here, and this is the least common multiple of 5 and 2, right? LCM of 5 and 2 is 10, and this is what exactly the minimum or the least distance covered by these two persons by taking complete steps, right? This is a minimum or least distance that these two can cover. You can clearly see that there is no other minimum distance possible other than 10 which can be covered by these two persons. I mean that is common for these two, right? Here it could have been common had if this person would have taken a half step, that is 2 plus 2 plus 1 centimeter, taking half step, but that's not allowed. So you can clearly see that in taking full steps and covering a minimum common distance, this is completely dependent on least common multiple method, and I have shown you these two ways, right? This way, I mean, I just tried to explain you in a very basic way, in more simplified way. Okay, so now you can apply it here, the same concept here. You have 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter, 90 centimeter. Applying the same concept, what you have to do is just simply find out the least common multiple. Okay, now let's find out the least common multiple, because now we know what's the basic concept behind this question, what we exactly have to do and why we have to find the least common multiple. We have clearly seen that. Okay, and let's find out the LCM of 80, 85 and 90. So this will be 2 times divided by 2, this will be 40, 85 and 45. This will again be divided by 2, you will get 20. This will be 85 and this will be 45 again. If you divide it by 2 again, this is 10, this is 85, this is 45. This 2 times 5, 85 and 45. This is 5, 85 and 15. You have 3, then you have 5, you have 85, you have 5, you have 5 here, you have 1 times 17, you have 1, and then you have 17 here. It's gone. So your LCM will be 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, so 4 times 2, then 2 times 3, then times 5 times 17. So this will be 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 3 is 48, 48 times 3 is 144, 348, 384, yeah, 144 times 5 times 17, and this will be 144 times 5 will be 5420, 5420. This will be 720 times 17, and 720 times 17 will be 14 ones and 50. Let's come here, 1 0 2 and 7 0 4 2. So this will be 1 2 2 4 0. Therefore that minimum distance, I hope that's right, okay, distance, whatever, minimum distance is 12,240 centimeter. It's a bit, longer video, but I try to explain you that why you will use LCM here, right? What's the concept behind using LCM in this case, and what's the concept of these complete steps and this minimum common distance, and how it is related to least common multiple. Thanks for watching.